Who's knocking on my door? It's Amazon. Who's knocking on my door? It's Amazon. Who's knocking on my door? It's Amazon. Hey guys, it's your girl Shelly over at Eat to Live Strong, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong. Today is a day that I am going to finally do an unboxing, and when you find out what's in the box, you're going to be like, wow, really? That's what you've been doing? So yeah, let's go ahead and get in. So you know I have already pre-opened the boxes because I'm not good at opening boxes. So I got a big one here. Yeah, this baby here. Who's knocking on my door? It's Amazon. Who's knocking on my door? It's Amazon. I got a package. I got some packages. I got some packages. I wonder what it is. I got some packages. I got some packages. I got some packages. I wonder what they are. Okay. Pre-opened. Because you know they got it in another box. I don't want to drop anything. Interesting. Oh, it's okay. Make sure I'm showing my beeswax on here. But it's 2 more boxes. And what I have here is something that is much needed. Ooh, they made sure they put this together. I probably should have. Oh, interesting. Kind of got that. Looks like an L shape. That's pretty neat. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you what it is because it says here. It's the LED ring light. So, guys, I have been about maybe a month or so ago, I had a accident where I fell and my ring light caught my fall. And I ordered another one. It came. I didn't like it. It wasn't as functional, and it didn't have a lot of accessories and things with it. So this one was, I've been looking and looking and looking, and this one popped up on my Amazon. So I am ready to rock and roll with this one. This one has a station where I can put makeup tray, my computer. It's LED, it's tricolors. It's got, you can put 3 phones on it. I want to say 3 phones, or a camera and 2 phones, but I finally got it. And it is supposed to be a, look how big it is. Let's see what it's telling me. Yep, it's got the camera. It's got a selfie ring light. Let me just put this up here so you guys can see it, because you're not paying, let's see. That's what it looks like. And it's got the colors, multicolors, and then it's, of course, it's LED. It is a 13-inch ring light. Yay! So I'm trying to get the ring light out so at least I can show you that, because it's like I can't keep going to these, doing my lives and things, and I don't have a ring light. And how many of you have more than 1 ring light in your house? Got a ring light on each floor. So, but this is the little tray for your makeup and things like that. I don't see how maybe I guess it could fit on there if you center it right, but this is where the makeup tray is. So I'm a little disappointed in this because I thought it was going to be bigger than this, but that's okay. So it's got the tray there. Then it's got a selfie ring light in this little box. There we go. Selfie ring light. I got all these little gadgets that I'm going to have to read up on because I don't know anything. It's got my little remote. So got my remote control for the picture and the video. What is this? Oh, more stuff. After I put this together, I'll show it to you guys. I gotta figure out how I can show it to you. Ooh, what is this? This is looks like a remote control here too. I don't know what this is about, but there's another remote control. There we go. Let me do this. There you go. There's a remote control there. So I'm gonna put that there. More stuff. And turn this up. More stuff. Oh, that's the, oh God, I gotta put this together. So the attachments. So like I said, you can put the phone, your camera, and oh, I know what this is. Those are the, so let me compare this ring light to the one that I'm using now. And I want to make sure that they're at least the same size or bigger. It's bigger, yes, it's bigger. So this is the ring light. Good thumbnail. Where's my good thumbnail. So it has that, and let me make sure. Okay, so it plugs into the computer. Now that's the thing I did not want. I wanted it where it would plug into the wall, but that's okay. I'll plug it into the computer or a USB port, whatever. So that's the ring light. Y'all, I'm gonna be putting this up together like, you know, Christmas night when your children get like trucks and bicycles and things like that, and you're spending all night trying to put it together. All right, so that's that. And then I know what this is here. These are the poles. And I forgot how tall it gets. I'll put that in the description box because I want to go ahead and get to the next item. So let's just go ahead and move this to the side, and we can keep moving because I'm not trying to stay on this video for 22 hours because that's about how long it'll take me to get through all of this. And I got 2 more packages to open up. And here's the next one. Amazon sent me packages. I got some packages. Amazon sent me packages. I wonder what it is. Okay. Lord have mercy. Oh, this is pretty heavy too. It is my USB microphone. This is for my podcast and for my live, so I'll be loud and clear. Can you guys see that? USB microphone. Hey, I'm professional now, y'all. So that's what that is. And let's go ahead and get the other item open up here. Ooh, this is heavy. This is really heavy. Oh, I know what this is. Let me just open it up. Amazon sent me packages. Amazon sent me packages. I wonder what it is. Oh. Oh God, this is hard to get open. I'm trying to tear the bag, you know. Wow, this is heavy. All right. Day 1 fitness. Day 1 starts here. Ankle weights. 3 pounds, a set of 2. No excuses. So you put these around your ankles and you get to walking. I was in the doctor's office and the nurse was walking me back to the area and she had hers on and I looked down and I said, oh. I said, where'd you get your ankle weights from? She looked at me and she said, you know where I got them from. Amazon. But later I found out after I had ordered this that, what is the name of that store that don't give me any money? I could see the store. Oh my goodness, I can't tell you the name of it. I hadn't been around to Five Below. Someone said you could have got that from Five Below. But with this, I got warranty. But these will feel pretty heavy. I don't know if I can do this one. I can't even get this open. They made sure. Where's my scissors? Come here, Edward Scissorhands. Edward Scissorhands. So, I at least have a warranty on this. And people are like, what do you need a warranty on ankle weights for? Hey, shit happens. I'm just saying. It happens. And it happens to the best of us. How in the bejeezy do you get this open? They need some instructions on how to get this open. I don't want to rip the box. But it looks like that's what I'm going to have to do. Because I can't see how you open it. They put all this tape on here. This is just amazingly crazy. All this tape. Look at this tape. Tape here, all the way around. Okay. Don't they know we do unboxing on YouTube? We gotta be able to get this stuff open. I'm fixing to do what I normally do, just rip it. Rip it. Because they really put too much tape on this. And I can't see how to open it. I want you guys to see it. God almighty. Well, good thing is if you have to return it, they don't even want the boxes back. They just tell you to drop it off. So I don't even know why I'm trying to be all nice and cute opening this. Let's just rip this on open here. Whew, Jesus. Yeah, I think I might be taking these back and let's... Oh, no, they don't look that bad. It's just, that's 6 pounds. That's why it's so heavy. But this is what it looks like. And it's, ooh, Lord. And it goes around your... I don't know if this is going to fit around my ankle. We're going to see, though. We are going to see. So what I'll do is when I go out for my walks and whatnot, I'll wear this. And that'll be one way. Oh, Lord, Velcro City. Okay, that's how it goes. Okay, I was going to say this little thing ain't going to fit around my leg. So that'll at least help me stand up. So when I'm walking, if I'm wobbling, this is going to keep me grounded. But I have 2 of these. And they're 3 pounds each. Good for building your, toning the muscles in your legs, your calves. And, hey, like I said, no excuse. Eat to live strong and fitness. So, okay, let's go ahead and get the other thing out here. And let me see if there's something that I need to show. There's another thing in this package. Oh, my makeup palette. Actually, let's see here. My makeup palette. And I'm going to put this to good use. Got some really neat colors in it. Let's see. 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 6, 18 colors. So guys, that concludes the video of all the wonderfulness that Amazon knocked on my door back to back to back. I think I talked about it in my video where it was supposed to all come together and it didn't. They got separated somehow or another. And then the first one, I left the house and they were like, oh, we're leaving Duluth warehouse right now. We'll be to you in 30 minutes. And I'm like, I'm at Duluth. It's next door to the Costco. So I had just actually left the, just got to the Costco's. I could have picked it up myself, but that's okay. They brought it, delivered it. And then right behind, they said, well, your next one won't be in until Monday. And then all of a sudden my phone was like, bing, bing. They were both being delivered. So I got them all on the same day as opposed to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So, hey. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me today for my unboxing. I will show you a picture at the end of the video. I've got to take a picture of the ring light in its form. And you'll get to see me with my weights on too. So guys, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you can be notified of all my videos when they're uploaded. Share me out because sharing is caring. If you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? You're going to love it here at Eat to Live Strong. So please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I would truly appreciate it, and I'd love to have you. And as I always say at the end of each and every one of my videos, God bless you. See you next time. Love you long time. Bye.